So hey guys, welcome. Today I'm going to try to solve the second problem of the pattern series from Striver's A2Z data sheet. So let's start. Today we are going to solve the second number question. So we have n by 2 false problem in which we have to print a right angled triangle of stars, and those stars will be separated by a spacing between. So basically we have to print n number of rows, and in each row we have to print stars uh, equal to the rows. For example, in row number 1 we have to print a single star, in row number 2 we have to print 2 stars, and in the row number 3 we have to print 3 stars, and so on. So basically we can see a connection between the rows and columns here. So we will try to build our logic according to that, and it's a pretty easy problem. So let's try to solve it. So we just need nested loops, and we will use two nested for loops for this problem. So let's start. We can take one also, we can go with 0 also, but I will go with 1 today. So for this is the outer loop for the rows, and for the columns we will go with J. And remember, we have to print the stars uh, equal to the number of rows. So since we have taken I is equal to 1 and we have taken j is equal to 0 for the start, we will go with less than I here, g plus plus, and just print star here, and right print. So here is the star followed by a space in between, and a new line for each row. So we have done. So the test cases are successfully passed. So I think we are good to go. Let's submit the code and see. So compilation check is done. It's alright and it's accepted. So that's all for today, guys. This is the question number 2 of pattern series of Strivers A2.